Hi guys, I got a phone call from a customer. She said that her car had an MOT, but then she left it stand for 2 weeks, and then she took it for a drive. Her belt was squealing, all of the lights come up on her dash, and it cut out. She managed to get it started again. She's limped it home. Now she's too scared to drive it. She's asked if I can come out and look at it. So we're going out there today, and hopefully we can shine a light on it. Let's go have a look. So this is the vehicle here. We're going to start off by doing a quick visual inspection of anything that it could be. We're just shining our light on the alternator there, everything down here that's moving. We can't really see anything wrong. Now I've had an idea. There's 4 rights of Diagnostics. I've heard from James Dillon and Steve Scott at the Simply Diag Network. So I thought, I'm going to think out the box on this occasion. What's the easiest and fastest way for me to find out what's causing that belt to squeal? So what I've done is I've got my top-down thermal imaging camera. I'm going to start the engine, run the engine. That belt is squealing because it's rubbing, and that rubbing is going to cause a friction. So wherever the hot spot is on those pulleys, I'm going to check that first. So we can see here that the internals are getting a little bit hot just on startup, but obviously that's natural because it's friction generating on the inside of the alternator. So we're going to leave it run a little bit to see if it gets any hotter. As you can see there, the belt is relatively cool. There's no hot spots on that alternator itself or on any of the other pulleys. So I don't think this is the issue. So let's go back to more routine tests. So as you can see from that thermal imaging, that alternator is not actually getting that hot. And this, you can't hear it in there, but the squeaking isn't actually there. So I've got that little squeak once, and then it's cut out, and now it's become a crank no start. Put out the top down, read some codes. Got a code in there for the camshaft actuator circuit. So what we're currently doing is tapping into that and seeing what circuitry readings we're getting. So the first thing we're going to do is a basic volt drop test. So we've got a multimeter set to volts. We've got a good ground. We're going to slide in onto the actuator circuit itself. And we're getting 0.86 volts on this one here. Now let's just double check, see what the other pin is reading. And that is reading 0.7 volts. So it looks like somewhere along the line we are losing voltage to this, and we're gaining voltage on our earth side. So this is my diagnostic assessment finished. We've evidently got some sort of short to ground. I've gone to try to find that short, but AllData doesn't have the wiring diagram for that available with the nature of the vehicle. So send off some information to their centre, carry out some more research and give the customer a new estimate on trying to find that short to ground, and then hopefully get this beauty back on the road.